Hi, sir. Good evening. Can you please ping me your phone number in the chat,
Okay,
please?
ma. Bye.
Yes. 98948.
Bye, ma.
Just a minute, sir. Please give me a minute. 98948. Hello.
Able to hear me?
Yes, I am able to hear you now. 98948. Hello, sir. I am unable to hear you.
You're able to hear me now, right?
Yes, I am able to hear you now.
Okay.
Sir, can you please repeat your number?
In the chat box, it is not there.
Where, sir?
In the chat box, Zoom chat box.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Got it, sir. Yeah, now I got it.
Okay.
Video.
What are the things discussed to
Sir, your voice was breaking, sir.
I think internet is disconnecting, right? Disconnected again.
Now we can able to hear you, sir.
You're able to hear me? Okay, fine.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, 1 minute. Let me just check. Wait. Okay, Kumar, you can just share your screen. We will start with another lab, Terraform lab.
Sure, sir. Can you please give me permission? Post permission.
Okay. Okay. 1 minute. Okay, now today we are going to create about Terraform modules. So you go create a Terraform modules, a folder called Terraform modules in your desktop.
Okay, okay.
This one you can minimize or you can close it. Create a new one, Terraform modules.
Yes, created. I have to open in VS Code, this folder, right?
Yes, VS Code.
Opened.
Okay. So go to your terminal. Let us check whether the Terraform is installed or not. So Terraform space hyphen hyphen version. Okay, Terraform V114 on Windows 3.18 access. Okay. Whether AWS version is connected. So type AWS space hyphen hyphen version.
Uh, okay. I'm unable to hear you. Your voice is breaking. Can you please repeat once? Okay,
AWS hyphen hyphen version.
got it, got it.
Okay, fine. Configuration is there. Let us check whether Terraform is empty. Type Terraform init. Okay, the directory has no configuration files. You may configure. You may begin working with Terraform. So previous week also we already installed the HASI Corporation Terraform syntaxes extensions, right?
Right.
Okay. Okay, now go to your AWS account, log into your AWS account and create a credentials, that is access key for your AWS account. Previous week, have you deleted it actually?
I will just cross check once. Okay. I think
Okay.
I didn't.
Hmm.
Shall I go to EC2 dashboard, right?
No, no. First, okay, go and check VPC and EC2. Anything is there in your account already?
VPC is 0 everything.
Hmm.
EC2 also 0 everything.
Okay, fine. Go to how to create a root account user access key. Do you remember?
Yes, yes, I remember. We have to copy paste the access key ID and password. We
How
have to
will you
go to
paste?
here,
Mm, okay.
security credentials.
Mm-hmm.
Then root.
Hmm? What happened?
I am exploring the options.
Now go to top right side and click credentials. No, click security credentials. Okay, come down. You see access key is already there, na?
Yes,
Click that.
delete.
Delete that key. Yes. Deactivate, delete. It will ask you to deactivate. Yes, delete that. You copy from the top and paste it. There only, there only. In that place itself, it is showing.
Yeah, I
You
am
see,
unable to
copy that.
copy.
On the first line. First line. Now, first line you see delete access key. There you copy and paste it.
Done.
Okay. Now create a new access key and I understand. Copy and paste in a notepad and keep it.
Okay, done.
Okay. Now we'll go for Terraform. Yes, what is the command? Do you remember how to connect AWS account to Terraform to the VS Code? Do you remember?
No, no.
Okay, type AWS space configure. Access AWS access key ID.
Completed.
Hmm. Okay, everything done. So first we'll go for creating this time. I think previous week we have launched EC2 instance and S3 bucket. Correct, na?
Correct.
All the sources we have done. Now today we'll do again EC2 S3, but again VPC also we are to going to do.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Okay. First we'll go for main.file, which is outside file. So create the Terraform modules. Left side, click and file. Create a file called main.tf. Main.tf. Okay. Now let us first create a file. Okay, here first we'll what is the file which we are going to do? We are going to do first one is providers. In main.tf we type provider. Hmm. Provider is OO AWS. So type AWS and come to the statement. There you type region is equal to which region we are going to launch.
AP-Southeast-1.
Yes. Okay, now create a new folder inside below that called VPC AWS hyphen VPC. Okay. No, AWS underscore VPC. AWS underscore VPC. Okay. Inside that you give create one more main file main.tf. Okay. Okay, here we'll mention at resource. What? Resource. The resource name is AWS underscore VPC. That is your folder name. Okay, we'll do one thing. We'll put everything into a new folder called modules. Okay. So first click Terraform.
This one.
No, Terraform modules. Click modules. Folder. The above
Create
one.
new.
First the Terraform modules.
Okay.
Click that and click a new folder.
Okay. Got it. One second.
Hmm.
Okay.
No, it is going under that. You just do one thing. Delete that AWS VPC.
Okay.
First create Terraform module. Select that. Click down and now click folder. Click modules folder. Under modules, we'll create another folder. Click another folder called VPC. Yes. Are you creating in the under that actually?
Yes. Yeah. Under modules, I created VPC.
Okay. Click VPC and create new file.
Okay. Main.tf, right?
Main.tf. Now main.tf.
Provider.
No. Here provider already we have done it in the main file. So we go for resource. Just now you type na. Yes. Type AWS underscore VPC and the name as demo hyphen VPC. So where can you find this content? You can mention CIDR block. CIDR block is equal to double quotes. Again enter next statement. Hello. Instance 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 underscore tenancy. Instance I small if this mentioned.
Okay, okay.
You see that one is coming equal to again double quotes empty. Now what we are doing, you are getting actually. See, usually we create, AWS, right? We created AWS. How
Yes.
to create a VPC in AWS? What you do?
Uh, Providers we will create.
You leave Terraform itself. Think
Okay.
when you create EC2 instance in your this one.
AWS account.
Mm.
Then first we create VPC.
You create VPC, correct? Na?
Correct, correct.
What is PIDR block? Okay. Fine. So where can you find all these codes? Because if I'm saying it's fine, but where can you find this code? First go to Google and type AWS Terraform plus providers. AWS Terraform providers. That one AWS provider. You see the below one. Providers has ECOP latest documents. Yes, you are able to see. Close that left side. Come down. Scroll down. You see on the left side. You will have options. What resource service you want for them. What is the code and everything. Scroll down. Scroll down. Check VPC or type it in the filter box. VPC. Search box is there, na? Search box is there. AWS underscore VPC. Type AWS underscore VPC
Okay.
underscore VPC. Mm-hmm. Come down. Okay, right side you have providers, no AWS providers. Right side. Scroll down. Scroll that down. Right side. Right side. This content. No, no. In between, in the middle, you have content. Now scroll that content. Yeah,
Shall I
you're able
copy
to see
paste?
create a VPC. No need to copy. I'm just showing you.
Okay.
Scroll down. You're able to see how to create a VPC. They have mentioned.
Yes,
Create
yes.
a VPC, create AWS provider, create VPC. That's now we have written CADR block, and we didn't mention any IP address configurations as of now. Okay.
Okay.
So most of the things are there in the this document only will be there. Okay.
Okay.
That you can refer later.
I'll
Now
bookmark this.
you can just bookmark. Like, see, I think when Kubernetes also, I showed you, I think of Kubernetes
Yes, yes.
documents,
Correct, correct.
AWS document, Kubernetes document. Same thing. Jenkins also will have Jenkins document.
Yes.
Linux will have Linux documents and communities. So all the tools will have their community and the code features, everything will be there. Okay. So where is that? That we need to find it out. Mainly in their page itself will be there.
Okay.
Okay. So normally when you create VPC, what you'll do, you'll first create VPC means we have to define the VPC name, correct?
Correct.
Then what we have to define, we have to mention the CADR block range, and then we have to define the, and then we have to define the subnets, correct? So
Correct.
now we go for our subnet creation. So go to your say main.tf file. So what is this tenancy means? Tenancy is saying that whether we are going for default VPC, that is virtual machines, or we are going for any isolated machine, or I mean any shared machine we are going for. So this default instance tenancy will be default only, that will change later. Okay, as of now we'll go for creation of two subnets. Okay, first we define that. So come down, click enter. No, inside let this be done complete. Next, after the query access, again one more enter and start resource. Type resource and again type AWS underscore subnet. Yes, name is public subnet. Public underscore subnet. Okay, next inside the statement, we are going for first one VPC underscore ID is equal to AWS underscore VPC. Don't want double quotes.
Okay. Okay.
Double quotes. Don't want double quotes. It's coming now demo.vpc.id you mentioned. And CI there block 1 minute. Yes. Now we go type CADR block, CADR underscore block, same thing on the top it's there. Na? Same thing, CADR block. We didn't mention any range, so double quotes. Okay, next one. Again, next statement. Enter. No. There only. Enter. Availability zone. Availability underscore zone. Yes. is equal to double quotes. What is availability zone which we are going to go? AP and
AP.
hyphen south. Hmm. Southeast hyphen 1. Okay, next one. Map. No. Next statement. Next statement. Map. Ah, wait. Public ID on launch is there. No? Map. Public ID on launch is true. You mentioned true. That is public ID on true. That means what? This is a public tag. This is a public subnet which we are going to create. So enter. Again put tags. Yes, tags is equal to open the curly braces. Enter. Key string name is name. Name n caps. Name is no need double quote. Just type name is equal to now double quotes public p caps public hyphen subnet s caps public hyphen subnet. Yes, now save it. So this is one which we created, that is one public subnet we created. Now copy that entire resource This public subnet alone, full public, no, 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 full resource hyphen public subnet everything. Copy that and paste it. Enter one more, enter and below. Because whenever we launch EC2 instrument, whenever we launch VPC, what is the other one we have to create?
CADR and subnets.
No, that's what one public subnet we created. Na? Next one, what we have to create? I'm asking you. Always when we launch VPC, what will be there? Public subnet. After that, one more is what? Private
Private
subnet. Correct? No?
private subnet.
Yes. Go change that public, all public. You just change it to private. First line. Mm. No, P small, P small. See, in the codes, whatever mistake you do, it'll affect. Okay, save it.
Okay. Here it is capital, right?
Hmm. There it is capital. Okay, now our main.tf is done. Okay, now
Okay.
we have to go for what is the three files which we have to create always for every module. What is the three files?
Run,
Hmm.
initiate, apply, plan, show.
No, 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 not that one. I'm asking you in the files. Modules previous week we have done each module will have three files. I told you.
Yes, yes.
What are those files? That is main file. Next one is variable file. What? Variable
Variables.
file we have to create. So go to variables, go create VPC, click VPC and click new file. No, click VPC and click new file called variables dot tf. Yes. Now, yes, type variable double quote CIDR underscore block underscore ID again underscore VPC. Now in the statement, type description uh, value for VPC, value for VPC CIDR block. Okay, next enter, enter after the curly braces. Yes, again type variable instance underscore tenancy. Yes, in the statement description value for instant tenancy. Yes, next one again variable CADR underscore block underscore public underscore subnet. Statement description value for CADR block of public subnet. Next way, what will come after subnet? Public came, then what has to come?
Private.
Yes, copy paste, change it to private alone. Yes, save it. Now, what is
Done.
the other file we have to create? But what is the other file we have to create? Third file.
outputs.tf. Output. We have to create outputs.tf. Hello, are you able to hear me? I am unable to hear you. Hello, hello.
Yeah, Kumar, can you hear me?
Yes, I can able to hear you. The third file is outputs.tf.
Outputs.tf. Yes, output name is vpc hyphen id hyphen, not this one, hyphen id you put. Okay, next one, statements, you put value is equal to aws underscore vpc dot demo dot vpc, select that dot id. Next one, same thing, output, again next statement, output tenancy, yes, their value is equal to aws underscore vpc dot demo dot vpc dot
Dot
instance dot
demo hyphen
instance
vpc.
demo hyphen vpc, same thing. Demo hyphen vpc, it is coming now, instance tenancy. Next one, output. Now whether it is created or not, how will we know that? We want to know what, even if we are going to launch any server, where we are going to launch, we are going to launch in the
AWS account.
public subnet, we are going to launch in the
Public
public
subnet.
subnet, correct? So public subnet id I want to display, so output should be public underscore subnet underscore id. Next, value is equal to aws underscore subnet dot subnet dot public subnet id, public subnet dot id. Okay, output file is done. Now in the main files we have to declare the main.tf, yes, we have to declare all the things correctly. That means the variable we created na, that all those variables we have to fix it here.
Okay.
So go to the first line, cadr block, you just delete that double quotes and type it as var dot cadr block, the variable we created na, dot var dot cadr block underscore vpc, the third one you select. Yes, next one, tenancy, again var dot, that is variable dot, no, okay, there also, there will come, no, there we have to change it, there we have to change it, wait, go to the second line, tenancy instance underscore tenancy.
Oh, okay, okay.
Var dot instance tenancy, the last one. Okay, now here we have to type aws hyphen vpc id is aws underscore vpc dot demo dot icp address, that is correct. Next, here var dot cadr block underscore public subnet, yes, the remaining things as it is come down, yes, again cadr block, you type it as var dot cadr block private subnet. Okay, done.
Done.
Okay, public is done, private is also done, right? Come down. uh, Private vpc among vpc subnet private. Okay, do one thing, that in the private you have mentioned map public ip address on launch true, you have given in the private. Correct. Now private we are not going to use it as a public, so remove that line.
20th line, right?
Yes, 20th line we have to remove it. Leave it. Yes, leave it, save it. That's it. So, and again, private you can mention this public subnets. What we'll do, public subnet and private subnet, we'll mention as A and B. So here you mention A, again A only. Both we are mentioning it as one A, because now initially we start with one availability zone and one subnet, one public and one private. But later again we are going to add the second availability zone. To identify that, what we'll do, in the availability zone here, 1A you mentioned, southeast 1A. The
In
private
public,
also,
right?
public and private both. This public and private are coming to under the first availability zone, that is A, availability zone A. Okay na?
Okay.
Okay, saved it.
Yes.
Okay, now we have to connect all these things to the output outside main file. Okay, so
Okay.
outside one main file is there na? There we come. Outside one main file is there. Yes, outside the modules. Now here we have done only the radius, right? Now I mean region. Now we have to add these modules. So type modules, new one more statement.
Inside this one
Another block,
only.
another block. Hmm. Module name is AWS underscore VPC. Yes, inside the statement description source. Okay. Source we just mentioned dot slash uh, module slash VPC. Your folder name is VPC.
It is throwing error.
No, it'll come. It'll come. Wait. No, we didn't finish it. No. Next line. Again, type CADR. Next line.
Same. Next
Same,
to
same, same, same. Next line. Statement. CADR underscore VPC. Below VPC is there. Na? Select
block
that
PPC.
block underscore VPC. No, no, wait. Underscore VPC underscore value you put. Value is equal to double quotes. Now we are going to define the values of the CADR blocks. So 10 point, what is the default block range? 10.0.0.0 slash 16. Okay, next one, instance underscore tenancy underscore value underscore, again you put underscore value is equal to double quotes default. Yes, next one, CADR underscore block underscore public subnet underscore value. Again, put all the value underscore value is equal to, now double quote 10.0.1.0 slash 24. Next one, again CADR block public subnet
Private
block
subnet.
private subnet underscore value is equal to double quotes 10.0.2.0/24. Okay, save it. Modules is not taking anything. So go there to source one, first one. No, source. No. The same main.tf only.
Yeah.
Modules is there M, you just make it caps. Module, no, not that one, the other one. On that M, you just make it cap. And go rename this module also in capital letter. Let us say.
This one also.
No, in the folder, there in the left side, folders are there, na?
Yes, yes.
And there you re-edit, rename M caps. No, not that one. Modules you select first. Uh, right click. M caps you make it. Enter. Okay, save it.
Okay, okay.
Let us run and see if there is any error. We will correct it.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Now create one more in the main. Create the outside main dot file. Click and then click a new file called outputs.tf. What are the outputs we want to run? Outputs.tf. Type output vpc underscore id. Yes. Next the value. Inside that value is equal to module dot aws underscore vpc dot vpc id. Last one. Yes. Next one again one more output statement. Output
Okay.
instance underscore tenancy.
Value.
No, not value. Not value. Value is given in the variables. Underscore also deleted. Now inside the statement value is equal to module dot aws underscore vpc dot tenancy. Next one output public underscore subnet underscore id. Next value is equal to aws underscore subnet public dot public underscore subnet dot id.
Submit underscore ID or dot ID.
Dot id. Okay, then now save this file.
Yes.
Okay, now go for terraform initiate.
Okay. In terminal, right?
Hmm.
But here main.tf it is showing throwing errors.
Let us run and see.
Successfully initiated.
Okay, because the values we have mentioned that might not be reflecting there. That might be the reason. We'll do that. Before that, we'll create one more thing, that is your EC2.
Okay.
Okay, the main.tf outside, go to your main.tf in the VPC. Inside the VPC, we have given the values now, correct? So now that
Yes.
values has to be changed, then only it will work. So go to resource demo, first one, underscore value, you give change it. CIDR block range is there, na?
Yes.
Var dot CIDR dot block underscore VPC underscore value, because the value is we created in the output file, I mean main file. Again, var dot instance dot underscore tenancy underscore value. Okay. Now CIDR block here below, second line, public subnet. Again, public subnet underscore value.
But I'm getting error for this also.
Mm-hmm. No, just we'll check it. No issues. We'll check. We put 1A availability zone, 1A, right?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Then again, private subnet again underscore value you put. Okay. Now save it and then type in the terminal Terraform space plan. We'll see any error is thrown. Initiate first. When initiate.
Okay.
Always first initiate and then plan. Okay. You close this agent, the build agent right side, and that you close it and move this screen actually it's a little bit left side. That one, yes, there. Okay. Come down.
It
What
is
are the
error.
orders?
It's thrown error.
CRI blocks that is not expected here. Line number 9 in main.9. That southeast 1A we have mentioned, remove that A. Let us put at southeast 1 only. Then let it take. Again, below also you just take here. Save it.
Yes.
Hmm. Okay, main.tf line module underscore VPC serial log private subnet. Okay, in the outside main file, main outside main file. Hmm. 10.0.0/20 default. Okay, let us check because of this module error is there. Let us go to module slash VPC slash your this one modules VPC variables.tf. Go to variables.tf. Okay, in all the values we have mentioned in the variables.tf, right? There you mentioned CDR block underscore VPC. We have mentioned there you change it to all to values underscore value underscore value. Yes, underscore value underscore value. Okay, save.
Error gone.
Error corner.
And main.tf error gone. Inside modules VPC. Outside is there still.
Let us check. Let us check. Click there. In the outside, we have mentioned VPC as source is equal to module slash VPC is correct.
Yes.
PCCIDR value we have given, right? Block value. Arrange everything in one line.
Okay.
That is
By
source.
separating with commas. Huh?
No, no, no. Source, you just move that side. That is the equal to symbol should be same in all the lines.
Okay.
No, 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 no. Uh,
Like this, you're saying same equal to.
source, let it be there. This equal to sign should be arranged in the same line. Let us see.
Got it. Got it. I got it.
Go to that variables. No, no, no. Yes. Click that variable start. This one. Again, it's throwing error only, right? Both the things should be same. CDR block if underscore VPC and this one. Any underscore or hyphen anything wrong? I'll check it. No.
No, no. The error is required attribute is required here. It is the error is throwing from the drop down list as shall I click on quick fix or fix
Hmm.
here? Quick fix and fix, both options are there here. Shall I click on it?
Which one?
Here, quick fix and fix.
No need. We'll do one more command. You just go to Terraform below terminal and type
Okay,
Terraform space initiate hyphen reconfigure. You mention space reconfigure. No, no, no. Init no hyphen. No, no, no. Usually Terraform init as usual. Terraform initiate init no hyphen. No hyphen init space hyphen reconfigure. Oh,
success.
okay. Now type Terraform plan.
Error.
Hmm. aws.subnet.id the outputs.file line number 10. Go there to outputs.tf value, that is output.subnet id. That's the problem. 1 minute. Okay, because we have already mentioned this one in the root, right? So here we have mentioned as value equal to AWS underscore subnet. We have mentioned directly that public subnet ID, but that was already inside the module, right? So we have to
Yes,
type first to type module. No, no, no. In the value, type module first. Module dot module dot AWS underscore VPC dot subnet underscore ID. Delete that
AWS.
again.
Okay, okay. I will delete everything.
On the
Module
top,
dot
we have
A.
mentioned the module underscore VPC
Okay.
dot now public. See, it is coming public subnet ID. This one. This one should be your output file. Again, initiate and plan.
Okay.
Yes, you see added instance. You see plan is what? Three to add. What are the three things we are going to add? We are going to create VPC. We are going to create two subnets. That is public subnet one, private subnet one. You see plan three to add. You're able to see that?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Click that main.tf file. Yes. Go to VPC output file. VPC output file. Yes. Go to variables.tf VPC. Go to main.tf file VPC. Close this terminal. Scroll above from the beginning. That's just the beginning. Eh?
Yes, this is the beginning.
Yes. Okay. You can open your terminal.
One second.
Now the last command to create previous week we have done is what command? Initiate plan, and another one is what, to go and apply these changes in your AWS account. That is Terraform apply, correct na?
Yes, yes.
So but now we don't want to do that because we didn't launch any instances. Okay, so we'll launch one instance.
Okay.
Okay, for that first we'll go for create a new folder under the modules folder. Click modules and click another folder called EC2. EC2. Yes. Now again create one main file. Yes, in that main file we'll first create one EC2 instance, that is a resource AWS
Just
instance.
give me a minute. Oh, one.
There it is AWS underscore instance. Next name is demo underscore server. Yes. AMI. There you type AMI in the statement equal to double quote. We don't know the AMI as of now. Next statement instant type. Instant type.
Instance type, right?
Instance type. Below it's coming. Double quotes again. Subnet. Double quotes, and again next one subnet underscore ID. Double quotes. Yes. Now save it. Now we'll create first variable and come. So select
Okay.
EC2, again type variables.tf, and again type variable AMI underscore value. Next one description is equal to value for AMI ID. AMI space ID you give. AMI separate ID. Okay. Next again below again one more variable instant type value. Instance type underscores type value underscore value. Yes, in the description instant type value. Again next one variable subnet underscore id underscore value. Yes, description is equal to value for subnet. Save it. Now we have done this one, we have given the variables, so now we'll go and define these variables in the main file. So go to main file and type AMA is equal to what, remove that double quotes and type var dot AMI value. Next instant type again var dot, that is we are connecting this main file to the variable file. Okay, variables we already declared that. Next subnet id var dot subnet underscore id hyphen value. Save it. Okay, we created main file, variable file. Now we go for output file. Go for output. No, no, EC2 you create new output file.
Okay, okay.
Outputs dot tf. Output public underscore ip. Next value is equal to aws underscore instance dot demo underscore server. Select that dot public underscore ip. Next, another output, instant type, instance underscore type. Next, value is equal to AWS underscore instance dot demo server dot instance type. Yes. Okay, save it. Now in the main file, we have to declare everything. That is the values, everything we are going to declare. Okay.
Okay.
Now go for main output file, that is outside.
Okay.
Now here, come down again, create module. That is for VPC we have already written. Now module name is AWS underscore instance. Again in that source is equal to dot slash module slash EC2. EC2. That one. Yes. Next one. AMI underscore value. Double quotes. Again come down. Instance underscore type value. What is the type value? T3. No, wait. T3 dot micro. Here we are defining T3 dot micro because this is the main file, it will work. In the main file, we are declaring the exact values, and there inside the modules, it's going to take and use it. Okay.
Okay.
Next one, subnet underscore ID. Next module, again, where we are going to get it. Delete that double quotes and type module dot AWS EPC dot public subnet ID. Yes. Next one, and again the enter. Depends on mention that module, select that. What does this depends on means? That means this EC2 is going inside this module called AWS VPC. Correct na?
Correct.
VPC is there only. We can go for EC2. So it is going to launch our EC2 inside this VPC. That is AWS VPC, which we have created. Okay. Now we don't want to apply the instance because we have done the instance part. Now we are going to go for another resource called. We are going to launch three resources at the same time. Okay.
Okay.
Another one is S3 bucket. So just save it. No, not here. Save it. You saved. Now click modules and create one more folder called S3. Now again start main.tf resource AWS underscore S3 underscore bucket. Next, the bucket name we give it as sample hyphen bucket hyphen. Don't give underscore. We want the bucket name here. So sample hyphen bucket hyphen 2026. That's your bucket name. Okay. Now in the source put bucket double quotes. Yes, next enter. One more, that is tags. Curly braces open. Enter key values name n caps is equal to double quotes dev dev d caps space bucket development bucket. Okay, b caps. Okay, saved. And then create new file called variable file for this S3 bucket. Variables.tf variable bucket name bucket underscore name underscore value. No, bucket underscore value. Next description.
Bucket underscore name underscore value. That's it, right?
Correct. Next description. Give value for bucket name. Next save it.
Yes.
Next we create a main. We go back to this main file of S3 bucket. We created the value, right? Now bucket name is there, na? There you type bucket empty. There. And delete what you have to come. You have to put this variable. So erase that. Erase that. Double quotes. Erase that double quotes and type var dot bucket name. We are connecting that bucket name here. Okay, create one more output file for this one. Is
Okay,
from
okay.
S3 output file. Uh, outputs dot outputs dot df. No. Yes. No output name is bucket underscore arn
ARM.
n correct. Amazon resource name. Okay, arn
Okay.
values equal to aws underscore s3 bucket. It's coming. You see our bucket name. That's it. You just put dot arn at last. Dot arn. Okay, save it. Okay,
Done.
now come back to our main file. So we declared main output where again another outside main. Yes, outside main we are going to declare about module number s3 bucket. Okay, click s3 aws underscore s3 bucket. Yes, click. Next, source dot slash modules.
1 second.
S3. Next, bucket underscore name value. Select that is equal to double quotes sample hyphen bucket hyphen 2026. Okay. Next, depends on. Now depends on is AWS instance. Why this depends on means once I create the instance only I have to create S3 bucket. Okay. Depends
Okay.
on means first the VPC has to create it. Then VPC created only EC2 instance will create it. Now EC2 instance is created after that only S3 bucket will get created. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now close this one. Close this terminal and show the full code. Okay. Now outputs.tf you go. Outside file. What are the things we have? We have module or VPC. Now again output. We have to type S3 hyphen underscore ARN. In the value you mention module dot AWS underscore bucket dot that one AWS underscore bucket. Select that dot bucket underscore ARN. Okay. Mm. So now in the outputs, what are the things we are going to come as? VPC tenancy we want, VPC public subnet we want, that is public subnet ID. Okay, tenancy we want. We'll keep two more, that is public EC to public ID. We didn't give the public ID here. So again, type above this S3 output you have done. Na?
Yes.
Uh, no, here only in this file only. Output name, you type it as EC2 underscore public underscore
ID.
IP. We want the public IP address. So value get module dot AWS instance dot public IP. It's coming, you select it. Dot public IP. Yes. Again, one more output instance underscore type. Ah, and the value is equal to modules dot AWS instance dot instance type. Instance type. You click the output files only, right?
Yes, output files only.
Okay. Go to your S3 bucket. Main.tf you go. Next again click variables.tf. Next outputs.tf. Okay. Now we'll test everything. Okay. Go there to your terminal. Type as usual initiate Terraform initiate. Terraform plan.
Error.
Okay. Error is there. A manage resource module since it's not been declared in the root module. Okay. We declared in the outputs.tf we have added this instant type now which we have not declared.
Okay.
Uh, instance type we have not declared that. That might be the reason. Uh, instant type tenancy we have already declared. Now go there to This is for outputs.tf last line. That one. This one newly we added instant type. That one. That one is showing error. Instant type is T2, T3 micro, right? That we have
Yeah.
not mentioned. Hmm. That we should have declared in the AWS module instance. Okay, go there to your EC2 instance, main you click. Okay, main we have declared a AMI instant type value we have mentioned. Next outputs. Okay, variables. Instant type we have declared now. Go to your outputs dot here. Instant type and public ID only we have mentioned here. In the main, click main, easy to main. Okay, come to the outputs. Last line 22. I mean output, main output side, outside, uh-huh, outside,
Outside.
outside.
Yeah, main.tf outside only.
No, output file of outside.
Okay.
Hmm. See here modules you have mentioned. You have to mention module. Save it. Okay, run again.
LRN.
Terraform, initiate and Terraform plan. Hmm.
Completed.
Okay, super. You got everything now. See, EC2 public ID, IP. Okay, that's what in the output we want. Scroll above on the top. The code. No. The code. You see what are the things in the output file we want? We want VPC ID. Correct, na? Scroll
Correct.
down. Scroll down in the terminal. In the terminal. Wait. You see what are the things? Five things to be added. Okay, what are the
Yes.
five things? One is VPC. Okay, na?
Yeah.
Next is subnet one. Next is subnet two. That is public subnet, private subnet. Next fourth one is what? What you have to do? EC2 instance. Correct, na?
Correct.
Next fifth one is what? S3 bucket. Okay. Now
Okay.
all these five things is ready to apply. That means we have to go and give only one command, that is Terraform apply. Once we give apply, you see what are all the outputs we want actually. Wait. You see what are the applies you want. You see EC2 public ID, no after apply, correct?
Yes.
Because once we launch only we will come to know about the public IP. Next, default
Public
tenant we
subnet.
already given. Same thing, public
Yes.
subnet only after applying only we will come to know. Same thing, bucket name also will come to know. Bucket ARN also will come to know after the apply. Same thing VPC ID.
Yes.
Okay. So now everything is ready. Before we apply, we came to know all these things.
Yes.
Okay, now you give apply, Terraform apply, and enter. And go to your go to your yes you give, type yes. Now go to your AWS account and go and check anything is there. Okay, creating subnet response error status code. What is error, man?
400 status code error. Availability zone is invalid for this value. AP Southeast -1.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
1A, 1B, 1C. Only this only can create a availability zone, not a single hyphen one.
That's what we have changed it to 1A na. We
Yes,
removed
yes.
that 1A, right?
Correct,
Go
correct.
there to your VPC. Go there to
VP.
your VPC main. Here 1A. You just type A. Again click A. 1 minute. Scroll down the terminal below. That one. No, terminal below. Close this terminal. Close this terminal.
Okay,
Scroll the code again. Okay. Save it.
okay.
Run again.
Terraform init, Terraform plan, Terraform apply, right?
Yes. Yes, you type.
I have to go to AWS account, right?
Yes, let us wait. It will launch. Then we'll go and check also. If there is any error, we'll try to rectify. Then we'll go and check. Okay. Again, there is an error. What is the error? Module main line one in resource AWS instance demo underscore server.
Parameter image ID.
Image ID we didn't give it. No, that's the wrong thing. Okay, go there. Where is the image ID? We didn't give it. We didn't copy the EC2 instance things. On previous week we have done. Do you remember EC2 instance AMI ID? We didn't give it here.
Yes.
Hmm. Yes, yes. We have to declare that in the main.tf. Go to main.tf outside.
Okay.
Hmm. There, go scroll above. AMI value you see balance. Empty is there.
Yes.
Hmm. Yes, there. Go to your EC2 account. Go delete that. Delete that. Not fully. Double quotes. Go there to your EC2 account, AWS EC2 account, and no. Go to your AWS account.
Yes.
Uh,
Yes. EC2, right? 1 second, one. Yes. EC2 account. Yes.
you click launch instance. Click Ubuntu. Click Ubuntu and
Yes.
scroll down. Scroll down. Copy that AMI ID. Hmm. Hmm. No, don't. Hmm.
Without double quotes, right?
Without double quotes.
Okay. Shall I initiate up plan and apply? Terminal.
Now give double quotes. Let us see. Without AMI. Okay, this is a value, right? Double quotes you give.
Okay.
Now close this terminal first.
Okay.
Okay, terminal start again. The Terraform initiate plan and then apply.
Okay.
Yes, all
completed.
results are completed. Okay, you see, all the outputs came. We asked what are the outputs we asked in the main outputs.tf. EC to public IP, it came. Instances default, T to instances 3233 micro. Public subnet ID came. ARN came. VPC ID came. Now our job is only to cross check everything. Okay.
Okay.
Now go to your AWS account.
Okay. Yes, I go to EC2 instances I am in.
You're able to see that EC2 instance is there.
Yes.
It's created. Okay. You can cross check this instant ID. You see instant ID we got. Click that
Yes.
instance. Click that checkbox. Checkbox. What's it? Okay. Okay. Wait. The public IP address is there.
Yes.
542.551.8. Go there to your Terraform.
Yes. Correct.
Okay. Next one. Instance.
Instance tenancy default.
Hmm. Instance ID is there.
Instance type is
Instance
T3
type
dot
is
micro.
T3 micro. That is
Yes.
T3 micro.
Correct.
It's already there.
Yes.
Okay. Next, we'll go for public subnet. Go to your VPC account.
Yes.
Next, VPC. VPC ID you see. E369.
E369. Yes.
Okay, we got you see below EC VPC ID E369.
Yes.
Next,
Correct.
public subnet ID. Public subnet ID will go. Go to public subnet ID and check subnets left side.
Yes. This one and both are same. Zero four
Okay.
five nine five d Zero
Okay.
four
Next
five
one. What
nine five
is
d
it?
Yes.
Next what is there?
Instance tenancy default and S3 ARM.
Bucket name. Go to your S3 bucket. Hmm.
Sample bucket.
Yes.
Not the sample bucket.
Yes. Sample bucket is created. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, so all the resources can be done. So this is called your infrastructure as a cloud, right?
Okay.
IAC, Terraform. So Terraform with a few lines of code, we can able to launch a number of AWS resources at the same time. Okay.
Correct.
Once you
Okay.
configure and keep it, now this file you save it and you can push it to your GitHub also and keep it so that you will not miss the code. Okay.
Okay.
You create a new repository called Terraform.
Shall I open my GitHub or later?
Okay, you can do me. Yes, before we destroy, we'll do everything.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
go to GitHub and push it. You know the GitHub commands, right?
Yes. Yes.
So that if anyone missing or anybody is not able to do it, we can able to push this code. Na?
I will open my GitHub account.
Yes,
1 second.
yes,
Yes, I opened my GitHub account.
okay. Create new repository Terraform.
is available. So Terraform 2026 is fine.
Mm. Okay.
Okay.
Launching description, you can put launching EC2, launching VPC, EC2.
S3. Hello. Hello. Murali, I am unable to hear you. Hello, sir. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, hello. You're able to see me? Yes, yes.
Yes,
Launch it.
yes, I know. No, I
Repository.
am unable. Yes, yes.
Create
Ah,
repository, push it. You know how to push it, right?
yes, I know how to push it. Once, can you once
Yes,
repeat?
yes. Git initiate. Go. It's already the code is there. You see, Git. Come down. Scroll down. Git init. Mm.
So I have to go to,
Terminal to type git init. Fine. Git init. Mm.
yes,
Again now type git space add dot.
Git
Readme
space
file you
add.
leave it. No, no, no. Readme file don't need. Git space added space dot. Enter. Yes. Enter.
Yeah, entered. Cursor got stuck here only.
Hmm?
Cursor is,
काय के
yeah, got it.
कर
Git commit -m, right?
next git commit same thing. Now anyway everything is same. Tuck 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 copy paste. Don't want to type copy paste. That's it.
Okay, okay.
Hmm. Yes.
Git
Branch.
branch. Git,
Hmm.
Git removed add origin. Shit.
Hmm.
Only here, git add readme.md, except we have to remove only this one. Rest of all,
Yes. Instead
copy
of
paste.
that you put dot. That's it. Remove
That,
all copy paste. Enter. It's writing. It's pushed. I think so. It's writing still.
yes. Error. Failed to push some references.
That's why. The main receive. You go there and see. Fail to push some references to this one. Some reference files only because it might be locked. Go there to GitHub and refresh.
Okay, okay. GitHub and refresh.
No,
No,
nothing happened.
nothing happened.
Okay.
The problem is here error is there, right? That is the reason it is not going. main.tf outside.
No, registry as a corporation, where it is mentioned as main.tf error. That is running already, na? The code is running.
Yes, yes.
Hmm. Yes, it's not a Terraform error, it is the GitHub error. We are uploading this backup file, log file of HCL, everything. We are just cache files also, we are pushing it.
Yes.
So that's why it is taking like this. Okay. So we have to remove the cache files. So go type in the chat box. I have put some command.
Okay, okay.
Just to type that. The state file we don't want to push it because it's a backup file. It's a private file that should not be pushed. So that's why it is saying like that. You can just type that one.
Uh,
Copy and pasted everything.
yes, copy pasted everything.
Mhm. Till the end you are done. Remove add random. Now you push the last command. Push origin.
Push hyphen new origin main. That one, right?
That one alone you push it.
Same error.
Same error sign. What error
Yes.
sign? Okay, see, it's a large file storage, so it will not take. Fine, no issues. You have saved this folder, right? You can just enter, drag these files alone manual
Okay.
instead of this Terraform. Fine. Now we'll destroy
Okay.
everything. Go there to type what is the destroy command. Terraform,
Destroy.
destroy it, and let us check whether everything is getting destroyed.
Okay.
See, the GitHub size limit is of 100 MB, but it's over file. That's the large
Oh,
size. It's
okay.
showing.
Okay.
Okay, yes, enter. So everything should get deleted and destroyed. Now go to your AWS account simultaneously and check is your instance is stopped. Select instance.
Shutting
No,
down.
it's shutting down. Yes. Go to VPC.
Still available.
No, no. Once instance is stopped, then it will work. It will also get removed. Go to S3 bucket.
No
Mm,
bucket.
yes. Okay. Go to your VS Code itself, command line. Once it is set completed, then it will wait. So it's happening now. So we have to wait.
Okay. Completed. 5 destroyed.
Okay, go now to your VPC and check.
Yeah. No VPC. Deleted.
Okay, fine,
Terminated in EC2 also.
fine. So fine. So we have done this Terraform. Now
Okay.
this IAC code, that is infrastructure as a code. Terraform is a
Okay.
what tool? It's an
IaaS
infrastructure as a code.
infrastructure as a code. Yes.
That means you want to deploy an infrastructure using codes only. Now with the Terraform, we have done that only.
Okay.
Okay. So let us tomorrow we'll see about how the same thing IAC future is already there in the cloud also. That is AWS also. That is cloud formation. How
Okay.
cloud formation will work, similar type of thing. Let us see tomorrow. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, Kumar. So we'll see you tomorrow. Just check it. Everything is destroyed. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Good night.
Thank. Good night. Yes.